how to fit all text on one page in Word. So if you want to fit all text in one page in Word, then first you need to open up your Word document. For example, I'll be choosing this one. Now here, for example, I'll be choosing this executive summary page. So you can see here that the executive summary is of 2 pages, right? So you can simply see that it's of 2 pages. So if you want to fit this in one page, then what you need to do is simply go with the quick access toolbar, which is here on the upper left. Click on it and then click on more commands. And under more commands, you just need to simply scroll down and choose all commands. Click on all commands. And then once you choose all commands, here you need to scroll down and simply go to the S section. And under S section, you need to search for shrink option. So here you will have the shrink option. Just go and search for that. And here click on shrink one page and then go with add and then go with OK. Now once you've added shrink to one page, then you just need to simply go with the shrink option. Here you will have shrink to fit, right? So you just need to simply click once and again click twice. Then you can see that the executive summary has been shrinked to one page. So that's how you can shrink, or that's how you can fit all text in one page in your Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.